What are your spider senses telling you?
The campsite's that way.
And what kind of campsite is it?
This is the best campsite. It is!
What do you think, Avery? Is it the best campsite ever?
Yeah.
Yeah? Is that what your spidey senses are telling you?
Yeah.
Yeah? Avery, did you dress yourself today? You did a great job. It's beautiful. Yes.
Can I get to the video now?
Yes. Hold on. All right, let me go get it right up here and get a little bit of the water first. Nike, is this the best campsite ever?
I bet he's saying yes.
Avery, please do not pick any flowers, okay? Jake, don't pick any flowers.
Why?
Well, because we want to leave them. We want to leave the wildflowers there so other people can enjoy them. Okay. Here's the river.